Tonight, Georgians statewide are urged to stay home for 3 more weeks. Today, Governor Kemp extended his shelter-in-place order until the end of April. The governor also announcing that all short-term vacation rentals will be shut down starting tomorrow at midnight. He's also ordering new rules and restrictions for nursing homes and long-term care facilities. The governor's announcement comes as the state tops more than 10,200 confirmed cases of the coronavirus. More than 2,000 are still in the hospital tonight, and the death toll now up to 370 statewide.
I'm Alicia Roberts at the Live Desk. Breaking late tonight, Atlanta's mayor has issued an executive order for $1.5 million to provide shelters for the city's homeless to help stop the spread of COVID-19. Earlier this week, our cameras saw many homeless Atlantans gathering inside the rotunda at Hartsfield-Jackson Airport. Experts worry this will further spread the virus, given current social distancing guidelines. The mayor's office says that money is coming from both public and private donations. At the Live Desk, Alicia Roberts, CBS 46 News.
Thanks, Alicia. Empty churches and struggling businesses forced to close their doors only to be hit by thieves. Tonight, police are increasing patrols. CBS 46's Jamie Kennedy is live in Gwinnett County with more on how these burglars are taking advantage of this pandemic. Awful stuff, Jamie.
Absolutely, Rick. Very awful to know because thieves are opportunistic. Now, many places are closed at the moment because of the coronavirus, but police want the thieves to know they've noticed too. Across Metro Atlanta, a number of businesses and facilities whose doors are now closed thanks to the coronavirus have been burgled, including 2 churches.
Our church is been closed for several weeks due to coronavirus and the shelter-in-place order. Recently, we had an accident. Somebody broke into our church facility.
This has prompted New Church of Atlanta to change up their facility's security.
After that, one person is coming to church every day to watch over the safety and security of this facility.
A church in Locust Grove also the victim of an opportunistic thief. I reached out to a number of police departments. Gwinnett PD says businesses should monitor their facilities remotely, while Atlanta and Marietta police have said patrols have increased in the areas where facilities are closed. And DeKalb County police say there has been an uptick in businesses being burglarized. The department has been able to arrest several thieves. Even a restaurant that has kept its takeaway option open falling victim. Churches and businesses happy to know thieves aren't the only ones on the lookout.
The police department, they regularly visit us to watch over the places around us.
Now, police say if you are going to make those in-person security checks, please make sure to comply with the governor's orders. Live in Gwinnett County, Jamie Kennedy, CBS 46 News.
Jamie, thank you. And new guidelines tonight aimed at helping protect essential workers. The head of the Atlanta-based CDC now recommending taking workers' temperatures, having them wear face masks at all times, and avoid sharing equipment used near the face like headsets. From sanitation workers to grocery packers, there are so many essential workers who are simply afraid to go to work during this pandemic, but also afraid of losing their job. Many have reached out to CBS 46 concerned about their safety and health. A labor attorney tells us that not everyone is entitled to hazard pay, but you can try to negotiate it.
I think that what it is important for these workers to do is to point out to the employer in writing the dangerous circumstances of their workplace so that the employer knows that they're making a record that the workplace is dangerous.
That attorney also says there is strength in numbers, so if you have coworkers who are in similar situation, you should try to negotiate with your employer together.
New tonight, the Treasury Secretary says direct deposits for Americans will likely begin next week. Most taxpayers who make under $75,000 a year are expected to receive a $1,200 deposit from the federal government to help out during the pandemic. Secretary Steven Mnuchin also says so far $98 billion has been approved for small businesses. It comes as Congress gets ready to vote on the next aid package. with an additional $250 billion for small businesses. Also tonight, Georgia Senator Kelly Loeffler taking a drastic step to show that she is not profiteering off the pandemic after coming under fire for stock purchases made after a COVID-19 Senate briefing that she received before the information was made public. The senator today announced that she would liquidate her stock portfolios under question. She says her investments have been managed by a third-party advisor at several different financial institutions. The senator also added that she decided to close those accounts because her investment accounts are being, quote, used as weapons.